Why aren't you in school?
Got sent home.
Kevin!
I didn't do it!
Didn't do what?
Wait, can you hear that? Who's that laughing?
Seriously, with everything going on with your dad at the moment, you get suspended.
What is that? Who's laughing?
I don't hear anything.
Why is everyone laughing at me? Are we there yet? We're lost.
We're not lost.
At the weirdest stream.
I could care less, but not much.
What's that supposed to mean?
I don't know. A Kardashian said it.
Mom, Katie's being mean to me.
How do you know? Lucky guess.
Katie, don't be mean to your brother.
I wasn't even.
Quiet. Did we miss the turn-off? Tom.
What's that?
Never mind.
Hey, stop recording me. You're infringing my human rights. Mom, Katie's infringing my human rights.
No, it's in the public interest, therefore allowable.
I have a reasonable right to privacy in my own car.
Why do our kids know so much about privacy laws?